This is a laptop screen replacement for HP COMPAQ ENVY M6 1232 SA using a replacement screen supplied by laptopscreens.co.uk. Quite simply, see that the screen is broken, so what we want to be able to do is turn it off, take the battery out and replace the screen. Taking out the battery, behind the battery cover is the information required to tell you which is the correct screen to be able to get by getting the model number. To remove the screen, you need to remove the surround first of all, using a card to be able to unclip the surrounding, progressively working round. Being careful at the top where the built-in camera is positioned. Progressively around, might be some adhesive at the base, which will take a little bit more effort to move. Once you can get through and see the small screws, you can remove the screws. So once we've reached the point of getting to here, we need to lift off the connector, which is under here. Right, that's the connector there. There's the connector. To remove and there's the screen removed. So now with the new screen, you need to lay the screen down to connect to the pin out. So connected the pin socket from the computer to the pin socket on the back of the new screen and push down a small piece of tape just to help connect the two together. And next is to position the screen back in the correct place and to refit the screws. It does help if you have fingernails. Such a tiny screen. That's the new screen in place. Before replacing the cover, make sure you take the protective film off the screen. And then you can reposition . Now we're going to replace the surround. Ensuring it clicks into position. Making sure you press in and around the base to get a good cover. I'm pressing in all the way around the outside, making sure there's no further clicks like that one. Fold it, lid down, and then just go around the outside to make sure that all the clicks and all the snap connectors are in place. So there's the screen replaced. Now we can replace the battery and check the screen. And starting up. Fingers crossed. Looking good. Yay! That's it.